Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of 0 to 60. Today we're in the 335. What are we going to do, Dave?
Today we've got this 335 that is currently running the 7.1 Stage 1 version of the MHD tune. We're going to do at least 3 runs on the updated surface, on the nice new test track, not the old one. And then we're going to go home, let it cool down while we update it to the newer 8.1 and see what the difference is.
Yeah, I'm super keen to see what happens. The 8.1 maps have been out for about a week now. They're supposed to be, I think they're running a higher boost target. They're also supposed to have some shifting improvements. So I'm looking forward to putting it to the test and really seeing how much faster it is. We're going to try and get all these runs done within an hour on the same road surface, same weight in the car, everything the same. So it's going to be a really good test of what they improve with the map. Let's get into it.
Let's go! Well, we're going to go into sport mode. Obviously, I'm going to leave it in sport auto so that it changes itself at the red line. We're going to start with at least a 2000 RPM stall because, as we found out yesterday, this car can take it.
Yep.
And hopefully on this new service, we can even go a little bit higher.
Give it a crack.
You ready?
Ready to go?
Traction was on. Traction was on.
And it spun anyway, so that was a little bit too aggressive, that launch.
Yeah.
Hang on.
1900. For the first one.
It's spun, but keep into it. 100.
Felt pretty good.
That was what we matched yesterday, 5.87.
On the first one.
But it was a fair bit of wheel spin. It's definitely a better surface now.
It's feeling good. Like once it does, even though it's wheel spinning, it still feels like it's picking up better than that other road. Should we do another one?
Do it going this way. I reckon we'll do 3 runs on each map, I think.
Yeah.
And Vbox is good to go. That felt better.
Yes, come on. That's gonna be good.
That's it.
That feels good.
Oh, 5.66!
Bullshit.
That's rapid. Wow, alright.
It's so clean.
One last run.
I'm gonna try even a little bit more of a stall.
Ooh, okay.
Spicy.
It's amazing what different surface. Well, it's not amazing. We know that surface makes a difference.
That's why drag strips exist.
Okay. And stop moving. Vbox is ready. So much wheel spin. Roll through it. And 100. 6.1.
6.1, too much wheel spin.
I think
That feels fast today.
that 5.66 was a pretty perfect run. That was very minimal wheel spin. So we've got 5.66. That's on the version 7.1 map. We're going to switch it up to the 8.1 and we'll see you guys in a second. Let's go. Okay, so we've got the car hooked up on a charger. The car is currently connected to MHD, so we want to flash an MHD map. And we're going to go version 8.1. The car is running 98 RON fuel, and it is just the stage 1 that this car uses. It is a automatic with the standard flash. Contacting DME. That's it. We'll let it go through. You got to hand it to MHD. It's such an easy way to reflash your car. Close the codes, turn the ignition off. You can see the right time. It took 2.5 minutes, which is pretty damn good for a serious update. We're going to wait 30 seconds, restart it, and get going. Okay, so we flashed the 8.1 maps. We've done about a 15-kilometre trip in town, up at 100 k's, just to let it sort of relearn, and a couple of pulls. What do you think?
It's... I'm not 100% sure, because initially, the first roll on, I was like, whoa, my god, it's amazing. But then after a few more, I'm not sure if it's just, it's in my head and I'm thinking it's a lot quicker, because then it didn't feel as quick. My butt dyno is not very good today.
Which is... Right, let's get into these runs and see what the difference is. Everything's set the same track. Vbox is ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. Feels good, feels good. 100. 5.7. So 0.04 of a second off the best time we did on 7.1.
That was the first one.
That was a gentle launch.
It did feel very in control, didn't it? I don't want to say gentle, it was just...
Like, as you let the brake off, it just cruised down.
Yeah, there was no slippage.
Is it going to get under 5.5 seconds? Which is quick. Alright. And Vbox is ready.
Ready? That's a good one.
Feels good. And done. That was slower, 5.89, but it did squeal a bit off the line.
Wasn't a lot though. Wasn't a lot.
Alright, best out of 3. It's definitely healing a little bit. Okay. Vbox is ready.
We good?
Yep. That's got to be the one. Feels good. Tensing. 100. Slow again, 5.82.
Kidding. That, I'm going to say that was as perfect as that's going to get.
Well,
It's changing gear a bit early from first to second.
yeah.
I might put it in manual mode.
Okay.
Because it's always been quicker in auto every
335 we've tested.
well, every bloody Beamer, to be honest, with the ZF. In sports auto, been quicker, but it's just the first to second shift looks like it's a little bit early.
Ethan, you going through the step up?
Yep, she's to the boards, bro.
She should be pretty good. Alright. So, reset.
First gear, there we go.
Xbox. Vbox is ready when you are.
Okay, it's changed again.
601.
That was a 6.
Yep.
Interesting.
Well, to be fair, the best time was 0.04 of a second off, which is... That's next to nothing.
You're splitting hairs.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to pull the camera off the exhaust, and we'll summarise shortly. There we have it.
There you go.
So, map 7.1 version, or version 7.1, was 5.66, and 8.1 managed 5.7. So we're talking 4/100ths of a second.
So definitely not noticeable by a human being.
No, and let's be realistic about that. That difference could be caused by slightly different traction off the line. Stalling it up for a split second more with a little bit more boost could cause that difference.
It could, but with that said, I think that is as good of a comparison as you're going to get.
Yeah, 100%.
Those conditions were literally the same. The one thing I will say about the 8.1 is just driving it around. It does feel stronger under normal conditions when you just roll the power on.
Yeah.
It sort of loads up easier and just pulls. It doesn't feel like it makes as much difference as being higher in the RPM now.
Ah, cool. Well, I think, guys, if you've gone from 7.1 to 8.1, let us know what your thoughts on the map differences below. On the 0 to 100 test, not a huge difference, but it's not all about that. Drivability comes into it. I'm pretty happy we've done it. thank you very much for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.